Got to Have That Green Banana, written by Fay Michelle and MJ. MJ's grandma's name is Fay Michelle. Grandma Fay Michelle loves sharing her childhood memory with her 4-year-old grandson MJ. Today's story is about how Fay Michelle learned a lesson after demanding a green banana when she was 4 years old. Are you ready to start the story, MJ? Asked Grandma Fay Michelle. Yes, Grandma. Let's turn the page to begin, exclaimed MJ. One day, Fay Michelle was out grocery shopping with her Grandma Cleo. Fay Michelle loved shopping, especially when her Grandma Cleo would allow her to put the food into the shopping cart. Fay Michelle's favorite fruits were cherries, oranges, apples, peaches, plums, and bananas. While looking for all of her favorite fruits to put into the shopping cart, her big brown eyes spotted something that she had not seen before. Fay Michelle said with excitement, "Oh, wow! Are these green bananas?" She had never seen green bananas before. "Yes, they are, and unripe," replied Grandma Cleo. Fay Michelle was so thrilled about seeing a green banana that she had to have it. Fay Michelle asked, "May I please have a green banana, Grandma Cleo?" Her Grandma Cleo responded, "No, you may not have a green banana. It will make you sick." Fay Michelle thought, it could not possibly make me sick. Why would green bananas be sold in the store if they make people sick? Grandma Cleo knows a lot of things, but she could be wrong about green bananas. I must have a green banana. Fay Michelle began to cry uncontrollably. Grandma Cleo was unable to share one more really important thing she knew about the green bananas. Fay Michelle began to cry out loud while saying, "I want a green banana!" She became louder and louder and louder. Grandma Cleo was disappointed with Fay Michelle crying about the green banana. Grandma Cleo did not know what had come over Fay Michelle. The 4-year-old usually had good manners, and people would compliment her on her good behavior. Grandma Cleo was embarrassed by Fay Michelle's behavior. She apologized to all of the people standing around. She asked Fay Michelle to apologize to the people as well. Fay Michelle said in a hiccupy voice, "I am sorry, everyone, but I want a green banana." Grandma Cleo said, "Okay, Fay Michelle, you may have a green banana, but when we get home, you will be punished for your ill behavior." Fay Michelle said, "What does it mean to be punished, Grandma Cleo?" "It means that you will have to learn a lesson about your ill behavior. You must learn to trust me," said Grandma Cleo. Fay Michelle was not worried about being punished because she was so excited about the green banana. With a big smile on her face, Fay Michelle took the green banana from the fruit stand and placed it in the shopping cart. She thought, wow, a green banana is so cool, and I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. After arriving home from the grocery store, Grandma Cleo put the groceries away. Fay Michelle took the green banana right away. Grandma Cleo still had not told her that really important thing about green bananas. Fay Michelle would be in for a surprise. She found it really difficult to peel the green banana. That's what Grandma Cleo tried to warn her about. She tried pulling and pulling on the stem, but the banana would not budge. She tried biting into the banana peel, but that did not work. It was too hard, and the banana peel tasted bitter. She also tried hitting the banana on the countertop, but that did not work either. Trying to peel the banana was very frustrating. I can't peel it, I can't hit it, I can't bite it. Finally, Fay Michelle asked her Grandma Cleo, will you peel the banana for me, please? Although Fay Michelle had apologized for her behavior at the grocery store, Grandma Cleo wanted Fay Michelle to learn a lesson about trust. Grandma Cleo told Fay Michelle that she would not peel the banana. Fay Michelle was very disappointed that she was unable to peel her banana. She really wanted to see the green color inside. Grandma Cleo received a phone call and began to discuss the green banana incident with her friend. She told the caller that she had not been pleased with Fay Michelle's behavior at the grocery store. She also said that Fay Michelle was surprised and disappointed that the banana could not be peeled easily. Fay Michelle quickly headed to her room. She was not feeling well. Fay Michelle knew that she had disappointed her Grandma Cleo. She felt very sorry for her behavior. Not being able to peel the green banana made her feel worse. Fay Michelle! Fay Michelle! Called Grandma Cleo in a stern voice. When Fay Michelle heard Grandma Cleo's voice, she did not answer. She was embarrassed about her behavior and sad about not being able to open the green banana. Fay Michelle did not want to talk about the green banana, so she looked for a place in her room to hide. Grandma Cleo looked for Fay Michelle underneath the bed. She was not there. She searched the closet for her, but she was not there either. Where could Fay Michelle be? Finally, Grandma Cleo found Fay Michelle hiding behind the bedroom door. Grandma Cleo said, Fay Michelle, do you remember our talk about a punishment and a lesson? Fay Michelle answered in a soft voice, yes, I remember. As she came out from behind the door, Grandma Cleo explained to Fay Michelle that she would not be able to play outside with her friends. Fay Michelle would also have to take a nap. Fay Michelle said, Grandma Cleo, I'm sorry for my behavior today. Next time I will trust you. I wanted to see the green inside of the banana. I am sad that I could not peel the banana." Grandma Cleo laughed at Fay Michelle as she explained that the banana was not green inside. Fay Michelle was surprised that the inside of the banana was not green. Grandma Cleo gave Fay Michelle a big hug. Fay Michelle was so tired that she fell asleep in Grandma's arms. "Did you enjoy my green banana story, MJ?" asked Grandma Fay Michelle. In a happy but concerned voice, MJ replied, "Yes, Grandma Fay Michelle, I enjoyed your story. You were 4 years old like me. You cry with your Grandma Cleo. You don't need green bananas. They will make you sick. Can you tell me the story again?" "Not now, but I will share another story with you tomorrow," said Grandma Fay Michelle. Big, big hugs. The end.